Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, loves, if this is your first time here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, loves. I hope everyone had a blessed and safe Thanksgiving with your families. I hope you had good food, laughter, and fun. Okay, guys, today, the Decorated Tea Party Club, we're doing our seasonal winter Christmas tea party tablescape for 2021. Our host is Glam Elegant Living, and the co-hosts are Style with Pat, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Mari Keys Happy Home Decor, the Rodgers House, Table Talk with Robin, and myself, Diva Decorating. Okay, guys, all these wonderful and creative ladies' channels will be listed below in my description box. Please enjoy the video, and I'll describe everything at the conclusion of the video. Enjoy! Okay, so the theme of my tablescape is Winter Wonderland Peppermint theme. Okay, so that's what I based mine off of. It's not a lot, but I just threw something together and I think it turned out pretty well. So I'm going to go over everything with you. Now, the tablecloth here is a white tablecloth. It's a polyester and it's from Walmart. And I picked this up like maybe 2 years ago. Now, this tablescape is done on a budget also, guys. I only spent $6 on this tablescape. Now, if you're on a budget and you're trying to save some coins, you know, just use things that you already have around your home. I'm pretty sure you have some beautiful and nice things that you can use, that you can enjoy, and that your family can enjoy. And that's all that matters. Okay? So Now the placemat is a faux fur placemat that I made, and you've seen that many times before. I'm using this tray here from the Dollar Tree, and that's one of the purchases that I made with my $6. I have 4 of them, and this tray, or serving tray, whatever you want to call it, a platter, it says it's the most wonderful time of the year, which that is so true. This is the most beautifulest time of the year, guys, and we are about to celebrate Christmas that's coming very, very soon. Okay, so I'm using that as my charger, and my plates, I believe they came from the Dollar Tree. I've had them for some time now. They're melamine, and that's the plate and the salad plate. And then we have these silk napkins up here. I believe they're from a Favor Mart or Tablecloth Factory, one of the two. Now the napkin rings, the silver napkin rings, are from the Dollar Tree. And I have a DIY peppermint here that I made a couple of years ago. I thought that was so whimsical and so fun. And my silverware here is from the Dollar Tree. So that's one place setting. And the other one directly across from it is the same. I did a lot of switching, guys, on this tablescape. So I'm going to tell you what that is. Like this one, for instance, everything is the same except for the salad plate, which is a new purchase. It says "'Tis the Season," and it's in the black and red buffalo check. And I have 2 of them, and the other one is right across from it on the other side. Now, my Dollar Tree only had 2 of them. This was a last-minute purchase, so I went on and picked them up. My mind just said, you know what? You can find some way to incorporate them in the tablescape. So that's what I did, and I think it worked out pretty well. Now, I have a tea set here. I introduced this tea set to you in my last tea party tablescape. And I just absolutely love it. It's in the white and gold. I have the teapot, the creamer, and the sugar bowl. And it's sitting on this tray that's from the Dollar Tree. And the napkin also is from the Dollar Tree. And there's the cup and the saucer. And then I have a faux peppermint laying across the top of it. Now, my $6 was spent on the 4 platters and the 2 salad plates. That's all. That's all I spent the $6 on. Everything else I already had, guys. And this place setting is exactly the same as the one across from it. So everybody gets a little something different with their place setting. Over here I have these beautiful reindeer here. They're in red, and I believe I picked those up from Big Lots, and I know it was last year. So I'm enjoying them again this year. And for my centerpiece here, something different. The tinsel trees are from the Dollar Tree. I already had those. And also, I decided to stack them opposed to just having it single. I thought it gave it a little height and it gave it a little different look. So I'm loving how that turned out. And around it, I just have some Christmas bulbs, and they are in a peppermint design. And then we have the 2 red ones right there. And they're different pattern as well, the 2 red ones. And let's move over to the goodies. You can't have a tea party without the goodies. Okay, guys, these containers are some containers that are already had. And they have the snowflake design on them. And they're in red, and I decided to use them because I wanted to incorporate them in my tablescape, just because they match with the red that I already had going on. And Inside there, I have some little, I guess you call them strudels with the fruit inside of them. Yum, yum. My family will be enjoying those, as well as these finger sandwiches that I made. They love after I do a video. So also, I have made it with this wine glass right here that I already had. And guys, that is it for my Winter Wonderland peppermint themed tablescape. Guys, please don't forget to go down in my description box and check out all the wonderful ladies' channels and the playlist so you can get some good ideas for your next tablescape. I would like to thank the host and all the co-hosts. Thank you guys. This was so much fun. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my loves.